please respond 205 Josephine Street at the Salvation Army for a Zone 14 secondary panel fire alarm. Keyholder is pending. That's 205 Josephine Street at Salvation Army for a fire alarm. Time first page is 9:30:20. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire, please respond 205 Josephine Street at the Salvation Army for a Zone 14 secondary panel fire alarm. Keyholder is pending. That's 205 Josephine Street between Victoria Street West and John Street at the Salvation Army for a fire alarm. 10-second page is 9:31:04.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead, Car 2. Roger that, Car 2, acknowledge the page for the Wingham Station, 9:31:24.
Fire dispatch, ladder 2.
Go ahead.
Show ladder 2 responding to the Salvation Army on Josephine Street. Charlie Bravo +2.
Roger, ladder 2, you're assigned Charlie Bravo +2, 9:34:51.
Fire dispatch, ladder 2.
Go ahead, ladder 2.
Show ladder 2 on scene. Nothing showing. Charlie V command. The command will be mobile.
Roger that, ladder 2, you're on scene. Nothing showing. Charlie in command, mobile. Be advised, key holder Deb Morrison will be attending. Sorry, is on scene. Again, that's Deb Morrison on scene.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 1 responding. Delta +1 belted.
Roger, engine responding, Delta +1, 936.
Engine 1, just pull down here. We need to check off it. It sounds like it's just burnt through. Copy that, command. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Dispatch, after speaking with the key holder, it sounds like somebody maybe burned some food in the kitchen. I will be assembling a crew of Par 2 to enter the structure.
That's Roger, command. You spoke to the key holder. Alarm likely caused due to burnt food in the kitchen. You're sending a crew of 2 in to investigate the structure, 938.
Command, call golf. Go ahead, golf, command. I'm assuming fly safety can stand down. Yeah, roger that. Bravo, golf, call command.
Go ahead, command, Bravo.
Could you start filling out that team release board for me, please?
Yeah, roger that. We'll open up this main street as well then.
Yeah, roger that. We'll just pull the trucks to the side of the road. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Entry team has exited the building. Nothing found.
That's Roger, entry team has exited the building. Nothing found. 9:43:10.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Property is being turned back over to the property owner. Command be terminated. All units clear and return to Wingham Station.
That's Roger, command. Property being turned back over to the owner. Command is terminated. All units are clear. Returning 9:46:36.
Fire dispatch, ladder 2.
Go ahead.
Dispatch dispatch, you can mark ladder 2, entry 1, back to Wingham Station. You can mark us back in service. Can you download this call for me, please?
Vector ladder 2, engine 1, you're back at hall, back in service. I will download it now. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you.